How to fix followers count freeze on Instagram. Hello guys, all what you have to do to fix this problem is easy. Open the settings, open the apps like this, and now click on the Instagram app, click on the notifications. Make sure that all those notifications are enabled like this. After that, make sure to go back, click on the storage, click on clear cache, go back, click on this option to stop running the app in the background on your phone, and then open the Play Store, search for Instagram, and click on this green option that says update. And if you have the App Store on iPhone, you can do the same thing. Just update your Instagram. Now restart your phone, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.